welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique if you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be reinstalling this 13x4 12-inch straight bob from Beeos hair on Amazon. I wore this wig literally last year around this time, and the install then I did a side part, but I was like, let me switch it up and give me the girls a nice old crisp middle part bob, honey. So this wig is HD lace. All of the Beeos wigs on Amazon are HD, premium HD quality, and it's not the type of HD that if you pull on it too hard it's gonna rip, but it's nice, durable HD lace. So I truly recommend them if you're looking for a higher quality wig on Amazon. And the lace melts so nice, and it takes well to bleach. I was able to bleach the knots when I first installed this wig with no issue whatsoever because the knots are so thin. But yeah, I really don't have much to say about this wig. Every wig I got from Beeos has been a 10 out of 10, whether it's a curly wig or a straight wig. So if you're looking for a nice HD quality wig without going to different websites and you want that wig fast in a hurry, then be sure to check out my Amazon storefront, because I do have a lot of products under higher quality wigs such as Beeos, Lamoda, Imador, Wild Angel. So if you're looking for a good HD wig, honey, I got you. So I really don't have too much to say about this wig. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's an amazing wig, no complaints whatsoever. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to comment. Let me know what you think about this install. Are you feeling the bobs? Is your name B.O.B. so they're calling you Bob? Let me know what's tea. And full disclaimer, this wig is not sponsored. Like I said, I purchased this wig on my own last year and I just kept it because I knew eventually I was going to reinstall it, then sell it. And if you ever are looking for one of my refurbished wigs, be sure to check out my website at therealbabyd.com. I do have wig sales each month, but I'm taking a little wig break right now when you guys are seeing this video, so I won't really know when the next wig sale will be, but I always let my mailing list and TikTok know first about any wig sales. And I may do a post in my community on here just to let you guys know in case you want a wig, honey. The wigs do come washed and ready for you to install them and style them to your liking. And I do have the new added on option where if you want me to style the wig, there's options for you to choose if you want baby hairs, no baby hairs, side part, middle part, curls, crimps, whatever you want, and I'll be able to customize the wig for you. But I will let you know that if you decide to get the wig pre-styled by me, that it will take a little bit of time, honey. But any wig that you just want straight to your door, just click the option that says washed only, and that wig will be to you literally within 2 to 3 days. But yeah, girlies, so be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Make sure to check out my Amazon storefront because I do have a lot of things in there. A whole bunch of wigs, a whole bunch of styling tools I use, lace products, all of that. And speaking of lace products, I still am selling my lace products. So if you want those as well, be sure to check out my website. So I have refurbished wigs on my website, lace products, digital products like a wig influencer ebook if you want to start your wig influencer journey. I also have my vendor's playbook with the vendor I use for my wig line. And speaking of wig line, I do have my own wig line, and that is still available on my website to purchase. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop yapping right here, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Problematic, you know that dick always been problematic. Somehow I'm always calling your dramatics, all in your acrobatics. You know I want the static. Tell me to throw it backwards. And that damn Julio made me a fool for you. And I still hit your phone up with the rah rah rah. Missing my da da da, missing that All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and nauseous. You a damn drug, you toxic. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me, just let me rock you till the break of day. Dance with me, fine. No disrespect, I don't mean no harm. Talk to me, fine. But I can't wait to have you in my heart. Talk to me, fine. Hurry up, it's taking too long. Talk to me, fine. But I have you naked by the end of this song. Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you wanna play. Dance with me, just let me rock you till the break of day. Dance with me, fine. No disrespect, I don't mean no harm. Talk to me, fine. But I can't wait to have you in my heart. Talk to me, fine. Hurry up, cause you're taking too long. Talk to me, fine. But I'll have you naked by the end of this song. Fine. Fine.
I've received so many questions about this hair marker, and this marker is discontinued on Amazon. I am so sorry, but I do sell a hair dye pen on my website.
Taking too long. Fine.
And this is the final look at the install. What's my name, Beeos? So they're calling me what? Bob, honey. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this wig reinstall. I love makeup reinstall, like tea, full tea. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next video. See you guys then. Bye.